Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Graham's law. What is Graham's law? So we discuss about it. It is the states that the rates of diffusion of gases are inversely proportional to the square root of density. Graham is replied on the diffusions of gases where R1 and R2 are the rate of diffusion and D1 and D2 are their densities. Number 3, diffusion pressure. Diffusion pressure, the pressure exerted by the by diffusing particles is known as diffusion pressure. The pressure is directly proportional to the concentration and the number of diffusing particles greater than the concentration diffusing particles in a system, the greater in their diffusion pressure. For example, diffusion pressure of copper sulfate particles in the highest near the dissolving crystal, but it is the lowest in the other region. Therefore, the particles of copper sulfate diffuse from region of their greater diffusion pressure in the region of their lesser diffusion pressure. Uh, the next topic is about imbibitions. Imbibitions, the special type of diffusion in which an imbibant absorbs water on its surface without dissolving in it, is called imbibition. Imbibient is a hydrophilic surface like protein, starch, or clay. The force guaranteed by the imbibants is called imbibitions. Pressure or metric potential. The metric potential is similar to solute potential. The direction of a water movement is from a region of higher water potential is to one of lower water potential. Hydrogen bonding is responsible for binding of water molecules to the hydrophilic surface. Significance of imbibitions. The insoluble solid hydrophilic protoplasmic and cell wall constitutions absorbs water by imbibitions. Dry plant materials like dry wood is placed in water, it swells and its value increases. Dry pea seeds are placed in water, these also swell. It helps in the germination of seed. If the imbibant is dried and then put in water, it can develop a high pressure imbibition pressure. This pressure imbibes water. For example, imbibition occurs in the wooden door or window frame during behind humid weather or rainy season. It becomes difficult to close door after imbibition. Osmosis. What is osmosis? The movement of solvent molecules from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. That's demonstration. The thistle funnel is fitted with a concentrated solution of source. Its mouth is closed with a rubber membrane. The thistle funnel is inverted in beaker containing water, and the mouth of thistle funnel dips under water. The level of sugar solution is marked. Again, note down the level of sugar selection. Sugar solution after about 24 hours. it is observed that the level of sugar solution in the threshold funnel moved downward. It shows the osmosis occurs through the semi-permeable membrane. After some time, the concentration of sugar molecules and water molecules will be the same both in the beaker and thistle funnel. Therefore, the osmosis will stop.